Hi children, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to Narayana live class. This is assignment 7 key discussion. Assignment 7 of 7th class. The topic is editing the passage from second unit reading C. Editing the passage. You know very well, one passage is given. From this passage, 4 words are underlined, A, B, C, D, right? So above in brackets, words are given. So you have to select suitable synonym. Actually, these are synonyms. So synonyms, see here, choose the correct meaning of the underlined word in each sentence. Actually, this is synonym, right children? So of course, editing the passage can be somewhat different. You have to correct the given words, but this is synonym part. Synonyms, same meaning, similar meanings. Say what words are given here. Choose the correct meaning of the underlined word in each sentence. What are the words given here? Improvement, hurry, alliance, race, eagerness. Right? Now let us read the passage. On the busy Bao Bazar street in Calcutta, there was an old building. It was the headquarters of the Indian Association. So this is first word, Indian Association. From given ones, we have to select the suitable word, right children? So what is suitable word for this association? What is the suitable word? See, alliance. So, A. So this is A. Association means alliance. Then B. Let us take B. Association for cultivation. So this is second word, cultivation. For cultivation, see, which word can be suitable? Improvement, hurry, alliance already over, race, eagerness. Cultivation means improvement. Improvement. Cultivation means improvement. Children, improvement. Now let us see. Cultivation of science. In December, on a fine evening in 1927, there was much excitement. So this is third word, right? C is given, much excitement. So what is the meaning for excitement from given words? Say improvement over, alliance over, the remaining words hurry, race, eagerness. So excitement, meaning for that one, eagerness. Eagerness. Now D. So excitement, eagerness. Excitement in one of its laboratories, Chandrasekhar Venkataraman was showing a visitor some of his instruments when a young man, K.S. Krishnan, rushed. So the word rushed is underlined, right? Rushed in unannounced. So what is the meaning for this rushed? So we have to select hurry. Hurry, right children? So rushed in and announced, Professor Crampton has won the Nobel Prize. So 4 words. First one, association meaning alliance. Next, cultivation, improvement. C, excitement, eagerness. D, rushed, hurry. Now let us see second passage. So second passage, change, innovatory, clear, optimistic, right? So decrease. These words are given within brackets. Could light also change its nature when passed through a transparent medium? First one, transparent. So A, transparent meaning clear. Right, children? B. That was the question that Raman asked himself. For 5 years he had been doing research in optics, the science of light. No sophisticated. So here sophisticated is underlined. B means second word. What is the meaning for that sophisticated? See, from given ones, innovatory. Innovatory. Sophisticated means highly developed or innovatory. Sophisticated equipment was available in his laboratory, but Raman was confident. Confident. So C word is confident. What is suitable word for that? Confident. Optimistic. Optimistic. Confident means optimistic, to have positive attitude. Now, fourth one, confident that he could find the answer with some modifications. So this is fourth one, modifications. The meaning for that one from given ones, modifications, change. Right, children? First one, say transparent, clear. Second one, sophisticated, innovatory. Third one, confident, optimistic. Fourth one, modifications, change. By going through the passages like this, you can improve vocabulary a lot. I hope you got the point. Thank you, children. All the best.